Hello viewers, based on my 10 years of experience and based on writing many books and then research papers, I have realized one thing, that the morning routine has a bigger impact on our productivity. Those days where I feel lazy, where I do not do the things, most of the time start with the getting up early routine. So if I am getting up early and very excited about doing the things, if I wake up at the first alarm and I get up, get ready and go to the work, then in those days most of the time I end up having more work. I feel productive. So in those days where I kind of feel lazy or maybe press the snooze button, and then I end up being less productive, being less lazy. So the trick to be more productive is getting up early. You know, our brain is kind of designed in such a way that it all the time pushes us to stay in the comfort zone. So you have to act against your brain for just to get up and just to get ready, go to the work. So you can have the positive feeling just by acting whenever you have an idea. Do not wait for the brain to motivate you. Do not wait for the brain to activate its basic function, which is to help you to survive, which is to help you to be in the comfortable situation. Whenever you are doing something good, whenever you are doing something, learning something, will be productive, chances are that your brain slightly will feel something which you are doing new, which it's not used to, but you have to do it. That's the only way of the growth. Thank you so much.